In September of 2024, we loaded up our bikes and trailered them to the middle of Colorado for a fall ride in the mountains.
The open road, crisp autumn air, and the Rockies on the horizon. Nothing beats a fall ride through Colorado.
Welcome to Grand Lake. Golden aspens line the winding roads, their leaves swirling in our wake as we carve through the mountains. Cool mornings, warm sun, and the hum of the engine beneath us, freedom never feels so real.
Just two wheels, endless adventure, and memories we'll never forget.